Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change name on Western Union. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in westernunion.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Western Union if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the middle of the screen, we have send money online where you can go and send money online, of course. And in the top right corner, these three lines where you can go and see the history, in the payments, and the logout option in the top right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change name on Western Union. So go to the Western Union website or mobile app for the starters, as I told you, and navigate to recent money transfer activity, which you can go by clicking on the top right corner, and here you can go and find it. Now, navigate to a recent one. Oh, now choose the transfer you want to go and edit. If the transfer is still pending, you should see the edit receiver's name. Click on the enter new name. Then save your changes and inform the receipt of a new reference number. If you don't see the edit receiver's name link, you may need to fill out a self-service form on the Western Union website. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.